and welcome back to Mr. Jeffrey's world of Algebra 1 and apparently really bad dad jokes. So, for today, since we are getting closer to uh, holiday of Christmas, today's joke of the day is, why was the elf sad? It had low elf esteem. Bum, bum, bum. All right. For those that hadn't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, hit all the other stuff because, all I need is like 900 something more people to subscribe and I can not have to teach again. Okay. Roll Tide. So, what we are doing today is like, what if what we learned yesterday with graphing a quadratic in standard form and graphing linear inequalities, if those two things had a baby, that's what this would be. Okay. Think about it. We're doing the same thing we did yesterday with finding the axis of symmetry, the vertex and stuff. Now the only thing we had to change or add to it are these two parts right here that we're going to shade above. Basically, if the y is being eaten, we're going to shade below if the y is not being eaten. It's dotted if there's not a line up underneath the inequality, and it's solid if there is. The question was, can we stop intermingling units? Well, here's the thing. Multiple parts of math build off other stuff. Okay, so if you think about stuff that we learned at the very beginning of school that some of y'all probably forgotten because y'all have a chemical romance, or when y'all lay down, all the information that you have in your head leaks out into your pillow. That if you're doing Legos, that would like be the big green piece of Lego that you would actually build everything else on for, like a building, not necessarily a car or a helicopter or something. Okay. All right. Let's look at number 1. So, is this going to be solid or dotted? Dotted. Okay. Why is it dotted? Well, if you look just above here, it says it's going to be a dotted line if there's no line up underneath it. Okay. Which way are we going to shade? Up or down? We're going to shade down because if we look, the Y is not being eaten, and that's what's here in green. Okay. Okay, somebody had a question and then the question exploded. Okay. All right, so what is our A for this problem? 1. What is our B? What is our C? All right. So now we have everything that we need. All right. So we just plug it in. I saw a lot of people doing this on their notes yesterday when they were doing the year turn. They would actually use this answer blank as like a fraction bar where they would go 2 over 2 and then they would actually end up, well, 2 over 2 is 1. Okay. So we have that now. All right. Now we plug this in to find our vertex. Remember, using your calculator, you have to enter it in as it looks like on your paper. We have a lot of people that not adhering to that. They're getting stuff from. Yes, we get -6. All right. So now, like I said previously, this is where stuff changed from. Yesterday we had the vertical XY. Today we have the horizontal, and I like this a lot better. So this is probably how things are going to be done. All right. If this is on the number line and 1 is right here, what are the numbers to the right of it? 2, 3. Good. What's on the left of it? 0, -1. Awesome. Okay. Now, we learned this yesterday that these are in a ratio. Okay? These 2 points are in a ratio of 1a. Well, our a is 1. Bless you. A bunch. All right, so what is -6 plus 1? Yeah, -5. Very good. Yes, for those watching, there are people actually answering. You just can't hear them. There are people in here with me, I promise. I'm not crazy. All right, this right here. And I just cut right through that note, and that's amazing. All right. This is 3a. Well, that would be 3 times 1, which is 3. Okay. What is -5 plus 3? And that gives us -2. Okay. That's that's really it. Oh, I got something in my ear. Hopefully it's not a bug. What y'all are really missing right now is there's just a discussion slash debate, almost argument with fisticuffs, that we did not do the ratio stuff yesterday, but we did. All right. So let's look at example 2. All right. Example 2. First off, is this solid or dotted? Dotted. Okay. Which way are we going to shade? Up. Okay. Thank you. What are you? She asking. We did that yesterday. Yes, we did. Okay. We're going to keep going. Y'all handle that. Okay. All right. So what is our A right here for this one? Good. -1. What is our B? -4. What is our C? 1. Okay. So, all right. So we plug stuff in. All right. So what is 4 divided by -2? Yeah, -2. All right. So that is our vertex, or our X value for our vertex, AOS, that kind of thing. All right. So to find this, we would actually plug it in like so. I don't know. I hadn't done this yet. Yes, I did get 5. All right. So if this was on a regular number line, what number should go? I don't know. What should be over here to the right? Yeah, -3 is to the left. Very good. And -4. Awesome. All right. Like yesterday, this is 1a. So this is 1 times -1, which is -1. We'll show later. Okay. So 5, you could say plus -1 or -1. It's the same thing. So this would end up being 4. Okay. These are a ratio of 3a. This is 3 times negative 1, which is negative 3. So we're going to have negative 1 plus negative 3, which is, wait, what did I say? Negative 1. No, this should be 4. I'm sorry. I wrote the wrong thing. Yeah, I wrote the answer and yeah, my bad. I got excited or something. That is a gross 4. Okay, so what is 4 minus 3? 1. 1 is the loneliest number that will ever do. Sorry. Music from the 80s just slipped back in my head. Oh, you heard it before, you just didn't expect it to sound as bad as when I sung it. I know. All right. So is it slowly coming back from yesterday minus the uh shaded and dotted and stuff? Got you. Okay. We'll send out the rescue team later. All right. You never know. All right. Example 3. Is this solid or dotted? Solid. And which way do we shade? Up. All right. What is our A? What is our B? Yes, 0. What is our C? All right. What did we discuss yesterday when our B is 0? What is our X axis of symmetry always going to be? What is this going to be? 0. And the reason why, if we plug this in to this negative B over 2A, yeah, yeah, that's all, folks. Okay. We would get 0 anyways. All right. So now I didn't give you a space for this. I'm trying to wean y'all off a little bit of some stuff. But to find the vertex, if we were to take this is x squared minus 5. If we were to plug in 0 right here, well, what's 0 squared? 0. What's 0 minus 5? Yeah, negative 5. Okay. So 0, negative 5. All right. How should this look from left to right? What should go to the very left? Okay, just like it should look in a number line. All right. So this is the ratio of 1a. Well, this is 1 times 1. All right. So what is negative 5 plus 1? Negative 4. All right. This, oh, wow, that just went right through there, didn't it? Oh, it's okay. All right. This is at 3a. Well, that's 3 times 1, which is 3. All right. So what is negative 4 plus 3? Yeah, negative 1. Wow, I was never the kid that color inside the lines. Are we not graphing? Yes. Remember, my thoughts on graphing, it doesn't really matter because if you get the concept, even on an AP math test, if you know the characteristics of this, you should be able to get it. I can show you one here in a second. All right. So I'm actually going to stop recording today because I'm actually done with the lesson. Dun, dun, dun. And we are going to move in. They have a year turn, which is going to be fun to watch them go through with 4 problems. Listen, y'all get upset when y'all have to write your name on a paper, okay? Oh my gosh. All right, whatever. Good. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the bell, and you can also comment now. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.